Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So I am Kimberly Cherrell, but I go by Kim, and we're gonna get right into this video. So I have a whole box of stuff right here, like right here, and we about to get up into it. There are products that I do not like, I just don't reach for. Maybe I've reviewed these products before and I just haven't been reaching for them, or they're just lacking something. There's so many products right now I feel that are out that you shouldn't be lacking a few things. Like, it should smell good and work well, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna dive right in. So the first product I want to talk about is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. You guys know I reviewed the Cantu's Curl Activating Cream, and I really love that. I did a one product wash and go. I'll link it above, and it was great. But this product right here, y'all, let me see. Can y'all see this? It just ain't do it for me. It does nothing for my hair. I don't even like how it applies to my hair. It's really, like, it's thick, but it's like kind of runny-ish. I don't know. My hair don't like this. It just does not work on my hair. So, don't pick it up. Just don't pick it up. It's okay. All right, so the next product I want to talk about is from Cream of Nature. So I actually have a lot of products from Cream of Nature that I'm not a big fan of. I'm actually not a big Cream of Nature fan. Am I the only one? Like, nothing that they've come out with have just been like, oh my god, let me just get that. They sent me their entire Pure Honey line, so I have everything. The shampoo, like, I have the whole line. Hair mask, all that. And I did a review on this as well. I'll link it above. But guys, I just haven't reached for these products, and they weren't a wow factor for me. It didn't do anything for me. Like, I don't remember raving about anything, not even the detangler. I don't even think it detangled my hair really well. Like, I wanted this product to work because, of course, I love the Aussie Moist, but that product does have a lot of silicones in it, so I want a natural alternative, but this just did not work for me. Wasn't a big fan. And they also sent me this line, which was the coconut milk line as well. I did a review on this one too, y'all, and I just was not a fan. I tried to do a wash and go. This, first of all, this glue is a no. Like, it leaves stuff on your hair. It's just a no for me. It doesn't have a nice sit, and it doesn't work. It just doesn't, I don't know. I have a lot of products, but I don't want this to be a long video. Like, I'm not trying to hit 10 minutes. So I need to keep talking really fast. So the next products I want to talk about is Curl's Cashmere Caviar line, y'all. I really wanted to love this shit. I did. Like, they targeted to type 4 hair, but first of all, this hair silk did not work for me. I reached out and let them know that this was a horrible product, and then I think they took this out of the line and added another type of leave-in to the line, which was great because this just didn't do anything for me. Your hair silks, it was like a serum. Who putting serums on a wash and goes? I don't know. I don't even know when I would use a serum other than when I straighten my hair. So anything serumy, yeah, no, we can't do that. We can't do that. And this jelly, like, I know that some people like this jelly. You know how the main choice Fro the Culture line was, where I was like, it's good, but it doesn't give me hold or anything like that. And I probably won't get a lot of days out of it. That's how this product is. Like, I'm just not a jelly fan. I'm just not a jelly fan. I'm a hard down gel, give me crunch on the first day type of girl, and this jelly just did not work for me. Am I the only one that just really want curls to come out with like a nice gel? Like, am I the only one? Because I feel like they need to. Like, I feel like that's the missing factor. Like, I love their Twisted Shout Cream. I love their deep conditioner. I love their leave-in. That blueberry line was popping. But that gel from the blueberry line, not so much. It wasn't anything that I would grab for. So yeah, I really want curls to come out with like something real nice and strong and crunchy and good. That's just what I want. The next product I want to talk about is this Eco Styler Moisture Rich Leave-In Conditioner. And I did a review on this product as well, and I've used quite a bit. Like, I'm like right here. But this product is, like, the first time I used it, it was good because, first of all, I was in my mediocre wash and go days, so I ain't know no better. I ain't know no better. We growing over here, okay? We grow it, okay? This product just foamed on me. Like, I don't know what kind of reaction it was, but now when I put this on my hair, just it makes a foaming texture, and you can hear that like I put a foam on my hair. I don't know. It just don't work out too well with gels. So I'm just like, nah. I got plenty of leave-in conditioners. I don't need that. And plus, this is not the most natural leave-in conditioner. So, like, if you're gonna not be natural, at least be amazing. I mean, damn. The three categories that I judge products on is, are they healthy, do they smell good, and do they act right? Okay, those are the 3 categories. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So, only one of them can give. Just like my Aussie Moist. It ain't the most healthy product because it got silicones in it, okay? But it smells good and it act right, okay? Alright. Anyway, moving on. Gotta keep moving. So the next product I want to talk about is the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut. I did like the mousse from this line, even though that mousse had my hands so sticky, but the holds on that mousse and the way my hair looks after I use that mousse, on A1. But everything else from this line, I hate. I don't hate the smell of this. I don't know. This is the Curl Boosting Sherbet. The smell just alone, just like, when I think about pink strawberry, pink lemonade, or anything like that, I think you can do so much with the smell, but this product just kind of smell like alcohol to me. I don't know. Alright, so the next product is the Curl Mix Pure Flaxseed Gel. You guys already know. I'm not a fan of this at all. Like, I mean, I feel like if you have shorter hair, this would be a perfect thing for you. But for my thick hair, as long as my hair is, this just don't work for me. I need more hold than this. This is just like a more lightweight product, which is, if you like lightweight products, I would say go for this. This could definitely be a one product wash and go for you. But it's a no for me. It's just a no for me. And I did a whole review, so I'm not going to go back over that. It's just a no. It's a no, sis. So the next product I'm going to talk about is the Diva Curl Leave-In Decadence. Now, it was so crazy because everybody was trying to rave about this product initially, I feel like. And then everybody kind of realized, like, this just isn't it. It just ain't it. You know, it's expensive. The size is small. Like, honey, we can't do nothing with this. And we just have better leave-in conditioners than this. So, like, y'all gotta realize, like, products getting up there. You can't be doing this. If you're gonna be a leave-in conditioner, you gotta be super moisturized and, like, give me juices and burrs. I need juices and burrs, okay? This next line, you guys haven't even seen me try it. I purchased the whole line, but I used it on my mom, and she has type 4 hair. Like, I think she's like 4A, 4B, but texture ID, y'all. Texture ID. First of all, can you smell a little better? It smells like vegetable oil, y'all. Like straight hair grease to me. I don't know. It just don't. I got products that actually smell good and work well, so like, why would I use this? This is the deep conditioner. Honestly, it just sat on top of my mom's hair. So it like had those like beads and stuff, and her hair was like warm. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna try the whole line on my hair, y'all, I promise. But for right now, I'm not, for my mom's hair, for her type 4AB hair, it's just not working. I think she's type 4B. And I heard this is supposed to be really great for type 4 hair, but it's a no for me, dog. It's a no for me. There's other products that melt into my mom's hair. I have the whole line. Literally, I bought the whole entire line from Sally's, but I don't like the deep conditioner. I just don't. So the next product, and this is the last product that I have to talk about because this video is getting long, and if I have to make a part 2, I will, but this was the very first product I ever used when like the very first wash and go I've ever done. I used this, and this, let me tell y'all about Miss Jessies. It's Miss Jessies, right? Yeah. So this product is what made me want to go natural. I know that sounds really weird, but this product is the reason I wanted to go natural, y'all. It smells like fabric softener, and I just wanted to, oh, that smells so good. Like, this product smells so good that I still want to try and use it in a wash and go, but it gives, like, it does exactly what it says. It's pillow soft curls. It really makes your hair feel like pillow soft, and it feels so fluffy that, I don't know, I do feel like I'm wearing a pillow on my head. I don't know, it just feels so fluffy. I'm gonna try to use it with like an Eco Styler gel on top or something and see if that works really well, if they mesh well together, because it smells so damn good. I love the scent of fabric softener. It was just so random. I was just like, oh, these products smell so good. I cannot wait to use Miss Jessies. And I was like, I should just go ahead and cut my hair and then start my natural hair journey. And I did. I don't know. It's supposed to be like a one and done styler, and the Glam Twins love this product, but I don't like it. Yeah, guys, those are all the products right now that I hate, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and give them away to friends. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.